Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Ingebrigtsen, and for my ad campaign, I chose the company Lee Cooper to recreate an ad for. I hadn't heard of Lee Cooper until I spent a lot of time on Google searching for ads, but they are a clothing company, I think that's mainly popular over in Europe, and they had this Made To campaign, and there was quite a few ads that went along with it. So let's go ahead and reverse engineer and look over the original ad. So the first thing I want to talk about is the contrast. The ad has this black and white filter to it, which gives it sort of a vintage look, which is really popular in the advertising world right now. And that allows the logo to pop, which is this red diamond behind the Lee Cooper name. And then it also brings your eye to the Made to Play because there's these red strokes behind it, which kind of lead you into the clothing that he's wearing and the clothing that she's wearing. The typography is very simple. It's just a sans serif font, all caps, both in the tagline Made to Play and in the body copy, effortless style and timeless looks. They contrast with the font of the logo pretty well because this, while it's still sans serif, it's more of a decorative font that sticks out, so they complement each other well. And then as for the design itself, the tagline says Made to Play, and both of the models are sitting on a swing, showing that they're playing. Gives the idea that Lee Cooper clothing allows you the freedom of movement you need to play and do whatever you'd like. It kind of brings in this it's effortless style, they're timeless looks, they're kind of on a swing set, which is a timeless tradition, and it allows the ad and the wording goes together really well that way. So let's look at the new ad and how I recreated it. Back to contrast, I found this photograph of this guy skateboarding and put a black and white filter over it so that we have that same black and white vintage look. And then it also contrasts again well with the tagline and the same logo that was on the other photograph, on the original one. For the typography, I just found another sans serif font that was didn't have any weight variance to it. It's not the exact same font. It would be really hard to find the exact same one, but it's all caps, both in the body copy and the tagline. We've got the logo with the exact same font for the Lee Cooper heading, so those match. And then as far as the design, this is a photograph of someone skateboarding, so he's obviously moving, which goes with the Made to Move. It shows that Lee Cooper's clothing allows you the freedom to move and skateboard and do things that you traditionally wouldn't think of doing in jeans. I actually looked specifically for a skateboarding picture, and it was hard to find one with somebody in jeans because you wouldn't be very comfortable. But hey, look, Lee Cooper's clothing is comfortable enough for you to do that in. It has that same effortless style. He's kind of making this look effortless, so it all sort of goes together. So anyways, that was my new ad and recreation for Lee Cooper. Thanks so much for watching.